Okay, first things first, how do we get this house? How do you get any house?
You get the coolest of houses through diligence, perseverance, and hard work.
Also known as writing letters,
Like handwritten letters with stamps that go into the mailbox.
getting in your car and driving around like a creep in other people's neighborhoods, spending countless hours of the night on real estate websites,
Hearting all your favorite properties, setting up all the alerts.
basically becoming a real estate creeper.
We're Ashley and Jeff, owners of Novella Real Estate. We love a good house story, so it only seems appropriate that we would launch Novella by sharing our very own house story.
For over 2 years, we've been on the hunt for the perfect mid-mod house to call home. Recently, we bought a unique property with a special story to tell, an architect-designed, custom-built home.
We are beyond grateful for the opportunity to restore this special property, and we cannot wait to share it with you.
We got the keys, the house is ours. One of the best things about this house is it came with the original blueprints. Let's take a tour. Let's start with the living room.
So the first room that you see when you walk into the house is the living room. What is super cool about this living room is you see the inside-outside theme kind of carry in this space as well. So we have the redwood from the outside coming in, and same thing with this super cool mid-mod fireplace. You see the brick coming in from the outside.
Another awesome thing about this living room is the fireplace, which also comes with the original, is this a poker or a carrier? I don't know. Anyhow.
On to the kitchen. It's almost entirely original with tons of great character.
I think what it comes down to for me is, are we willing to sacrifice space and function to keep everything original, right? To bring the original design and the original cabinets like back to life, which will likely cost more money and result in less functional, less space.
This house has an open concept office that flows right into the rest of the main floor. But there are two main issues with this. One, we actually need more bedrooms. And two, I work from home, so how's that gonna work with 2 kids?
I love it because it's just open and it's what the architect originally wanted.
I love it, except that it lacks a little bit of the function that we need.
On to the master bedroom.
The master bedroom is huge.
Well, not by today's standards, but by 50s standards.
The master is awesome, but it's pretty dark.
Yeah, that's the tough thing about tongue and groove ceilings, and there's no room to put ductwork or electrical anywhere, which is why you see a lot of wall sconces and nothing coming out of the ceiling in terms of lighting.
The first of the 2 bathrooms is upstairs. It's essentially the master bath and a powder room for guests. It's in pretty rough shape, but it does have a lot of original character.
I love the little touches in here that the inside of all of the built-ins here and up there are painted the beam color.
I didn't see that.
So we're gonna clean these bad boys out and hopefully bring back that color and keep this all original.
This is actually like a prison cell. If you wanted to take a shower, it literally is a prison cell. And with as dark as this house is already, to have a shower like that is crazy.
Heading downstairs to the garden level, which currently has a family room, bathroom, and kind of a non-conforming bedroom.
Just have these open spaces. Clearly we need to put kids' bedrooms here. That's the future.
This is the non-conforming bedroom that was used as a sewing room or a craft room of some sort.
I'm super pumped that when they listed this house, they only noted it as a 1-bedroom house. I think that majorly worked to our advantage. But the reality is we actually need more than 1 bedroom. So this space currently is not a legal bedroom just because of the egress. So we're gonna pop an egress window in there and we're off to the races.
Hey, basement time.
Save the best for last.
So laundry room needs to go in. We're moving a wall, right?
Yeah, we're taking out the whole center wall and we're gonna make a true big family room out of this space. They used it as an office, so like it was really kind of closed off. I'm feeling this desk though, so we'll actually move this upstairs to our office and use it.
My favorite thing about this house is how we got it, which it was completely like an act of God. First of all, it had just been posted and the market here is just crazy. So multiple people had already walked through, there was already an offer.
Multiple offers.
Yeah, and we just immediately thought, yeah, this is way too long a shot. The location is amazing and it's almost 2 acres and we just thought there's no way.
I think too it's pretty special that the woman who inherited this property from her aunt and uncle took it upon herself to ensure that the next owners really, really love mid-mod.
So now you've seen the Novella house.
Follow along with us as we spend our life savings and risk our sanity to bring you the mid-mod content that you thirst for.
Cheers.
Wait, don't go yet. Want to learn more about Novella? Check us out on novelladesignhouse.com and on all the socials, and don't forget to check out our sponsors.